Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to show iPhone screen on Mac. So actually it is very easy. First of all we have to do is to simply press two buttons on our MacBook. This is Command and Space. So as we pressed it, we will see the spotlight little search bar appears, and in this search bar we need to type iPhone. So just simply type iPhone, it will show you some results. We need to click on the iPhone mirroring right here. So basically this application allows us to show our iPhone screen on the MacBook. So here it says the iPhone changed, so we need to simply click on the connect button right here. And as we click it, we will see this interface called iPhone on your Mac. So basically the application introduces itself. Now we need to simply click on the continue button. And now it says we need to unlock our iPhone. So take your iPhone in your hands and type in the password that it requires. So in my case, I will type my password. I already typed it. So here now it says that we can allow notifications from our iPhone. We can allow it or don't allow it. I will allow the notifications. And it says iPhone mirroring is ready to use. So all we have to do now is to simply click on the Get Started button. And now it is connecting to our iPhone. And here it is. I can use my iPhone on my computer. Here I can just simply scroll and open some of the applications as well. And basically that is it. That is how you can show your iPhone on MacBook. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.